Yeah, but I'm pretty sure he came with one consequence. So yeah, that is it. But you see, Alfred, if you're getting more, you can even see a man it's a hard pill. It's a hard pill.